In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to run a project from GitHub in VS Code. Whether you're diving into a new project or looking to contribute to an existing one, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. Let's get started. First off, you'll need to clone the repository. Make sure you have VS Code installed on your computer, as it will be the environment where we'll manage and run our project. Start by opening Visual Studio Code. Once you're there, press the Control key together with the backtick key. This combination opens up the integrated terminal in VS Code, which we'll be using extensively throughout our process. Now let's focus on bringing your desired project to your local setup. Inside the terminal, use the command git clone, followed by the repository URL. This command clones, or copies, the entire project from GitHub onto your local machine. Once cloning is complete, navigate into the specific project folder using the cd command, which stands for change directory. To really open this project in your VS Code instance, type code and press enter. The dot tells VS Code to open the current folder. Now open up your project where you can browse files, make edits, and more. Depending on the type of project, you might need to install some dependencies. If your project is a JavaScript-based one like React or Vite and you notice a package.json file, type npm install into your terminal to download the necessary Node.js packages. Have you done that? Great! Now it's time to run your project. Projects built with JavaScript frameworks usually start with npm rundev or npm start, so try either command to get your application running. For a Python project, if there's a requirements.txt file, you'll need to install dependencies with pip install r requirements to txt. Once the dependencies are settled, run your Python project using python app.py, or if it's a Flask project, use flask run. In the case of a Java project using Maven, execute mvn install first to install the required Java dependencies. After this, you can run a Spring Boot project using the command mvn spring boot run. At this point, it's useful to make sure you have all the necessary tools installed. Check that Git is properly set up by typing git version. For Node.js and npm, verify their installations with Node vui and npm v respectively. Similarly, confirm your Python setup with Python version. Now let's delve into handling version control with Git. If you'd like to view your current Git remotes, use git remote ve. Maybe you want to stay updated with the main project repository. In that case, pull the latest changes by executing git pull origin main. If you're working on a new feature or improvement, it's standard practice to create a separate branch. Do this with git checkout, be my feature, and you can now make your changes. Once you're ready to save your progress, stage all changes for commit using git added, and then commit them with a descriptive message via git commit updated project. Finally, send your changes back to GitHub by pushing your branch with git push origin my feature. The terminal will often provide the exact URL to visit your updated branch. With these steps, you're well on your way to managing and running projects from GitHub within VS Code effectively. Happy coding!